Hello everyone, I'm here with Allie with Boral's Stone Division, and I'm looking at this vanity and this backsplash, this wainscoting, this nice wood wainscoting, but I'm touching it, this isn't actually wood.
It is not actually wood. So this is our stone veneer. It's a cementous material. And so actually what's great about this is you can apply it on applications that you wouldn't be able to apply actual wood. So in bathrooms and on fireplaces, it's super durable and you definitely get that reclaimed wood feel out of it.
So how is this installed? Is this installed like a tile? Do I have to get the nail gun out here because it looks like wood?
No, you'd use a mortar. And then this is actually a panelized system. So it's a lot quicker to install because you don't have to do individual pieces. It comes kind of in a larger format. So we've been seeing it installed a lot on interiors and then also even exteriors.
All right, so it looks like this is a very tight fit. We have to use grout?
This is a dry stack application.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's really you have the option either or. You can either dry stack it or fill in the grout if you want to.
On this one, you wouldn't really use grout because it is such a dry stack application. You would just have mortar on the back.
So that means less labor then.
Exactly. And right now we're seeing a lot of shortage in skilled labor, so kind of these larger panelized systems have been really popular.
All right, let's go take a look at some of the other stone options.
Perfect.